friends, so it is August. That means it is time for fall crafts. I always start my fall crafts in August. That way I have several little things to put up. I usually put them up around the 1st of September. So that way I have them all ready and I can just start decorating, and who isn't ready for fall? Like, right? So let's get started with our first round of Dollar Tree fall crafts. Okay, these are the 3 Dollar Tree items that I'm starting with for these. So I have this charger. It looks really bright gold on camera, but it's actually not. I don't know, the color doesn't look that like bright, but it's a beautiful fall color. I'm not even gonna paint it. I'm gonna leave it just like this. I have this cute little container here, and then I have some Brillo pads. In addition to these items, you're going to want some kind of saying. You can do this with a marker, you can do it with a Cricut, you can do it with a stencil, you can use the decals from the Dollar Tree. So many different options. You're going to want some paint of your choice. You can, again, use acrylic, you can use spray paint, whatever you have on hand. And then I just grabbed a couple sticks from my yard. Also, you might want some jute or some twine or something like that just to jazz them up a bit. So, alright, let's start with the simplest of simple crafts, guys. This I love. Okay, so if you've seen some of my other videos, you know that I mentioned that I lost some video footage out of some of my videos. Well, this happened to be one, but it's okay. It was actually the easiest craft, and I'll show you real quick how I did it. And, well, it doesn't take but a second. Just took one of those Dollar Tree Brillo copper coated squares, and I took my little stick, I hot glued my little stick in there from my yard, and I took some of that Dollar Tree twine and made a cute little bow. And oh my goodness, this is going to look so cute sitting on my kitchen sink. Once I got this project done, I started on my second project, which you'll see the next clip, and I'm just taking my little jar and I took it outside to paint it. So let's see how that turns out. It's all nice and dry. Now I just cut my stick. Now I used a miter saw to make sure that my edge was completely smooth. But if you could do this by using, you know, a knife, scissors, anything, and just break it in half. But if you do that, you're going to want to make sure that you sand it down just so that it hot glues a little bit better. Adding another little bow made out of that Dollar Tree twine. You get so much of that twine, guys, for such a little price. Last but not least, my favorite. Okay, so I printed off this cute little saying on my Cricut, or cut it out. I always say print it out. It's cutting it out, right? And so, and this is just on the Oracle 651 vinyl. Again, you could do a marker. You could print out a stencil using your printer. You could use little things from the Dollar Tree, those little signs, the little decals or whatever. It's so many things that you can do, guys. You don't have to have a Cricut or a vinyl cutter for this project. Okay, now I'm just going to put my little sign on. I did pick up a few little pieces of a like from the twine. It kind of got stuck on there, but no big deal. I'm going to move this out of the frame just so I can see it, and then I'll show you how it looks like. Is that just not hilarious? I love that. I have a Dollar Tree easel that I'm going to set it on. Can't wait to show you.